Okay, so here's my project for this week, and what I'm going to be doing with this map is I'm going to be cleaning it. I've already taken off. I got some Scotch tape that they put on to try to keep the map from ripping a little bit more. You can see some of the damage down here. There's a lot of tape there. I've already removed that. But one of the biggest projects now is that they have taken and putting glue all over the face of the map, and that is a no-no. So we're going to be stripping off the glue down to this point where you can see I've already taken off the glue in this area, and you can see the difference between the two areas. Once I get all this off, I'll be doing a laminate over the top and repairing this to the best ability we can get it back to. So stay tuned.